The best way to learn is by doing. In your upcoming hands-on project for this module, you will be building your own Zap for LinkedIn post automation. So let's create a LinkedIn post automation AI tool using Zapier functionalities. So this is how it would look. We will use Google Docs and connect it with ChatGPT and then connect it with the LinkedIn account so that whenever we put some content in the Google Docs, it goes to ChatGPT, it rephrases it and posts directly on LinkedIn as a share update. So this is how our LinkedIn post automation is going to look like. You will get to experience firsthand how to set up triggers and actions, connect different apps and see your automations coming to life, saving your valuable time and efforts. This practical experience will empower you to tackle other repetitive tasks in your professional life with confidence. So get ready to transform your workflow just like Rahul did. With Zapier, you are not just automating tasks, you are unlocking your potential for creativity and growth. Let's get started and put those efficiency gains to work. So this is how the Zapier interface looks like when you go to the website zapier.com. Now we'll be logging in using our Google account. Now it asks to figure out what you do, what you are really up about. You can enter these details. You can skip this question as well. So this is where we really are. As we previously discussed, this is what the Zapier interface was looking like. So now let's get started. Let's create a Zap that we just talked about. So here we can see that this is the Zap section. Click on it. It is asking create Zap. So click on it and now you can give it a bit of prompt also. Give it a prompt that you are looking to build a Zap which includes this and the output looks like this. So this is what you can do. I am going to tell you how it works manually. How can you do it when you are doing it for the first time? So let's get started. So this is a Zap that we are creating. This is the trigger, the first tab that we are going to start with, and then there would be action, the output that we will be receiving. So let's click on trigger. After clicking, we can get the list of thousands of apps, but our plan was to start with Google Docs. So here are the Google Docs. Now it asks you to trigger the event. What is the event that you actually want to trigger to? So you can either choose both of the options. I am choosing new document in the folder. So it means in your Google Drive, there is a folder. Whenever a new document adds to it, the content that it contains, that content would get published on LinkedIn as a post using ChatGPT. So let's get started. So now you can see I have triggered the event and it asks an account to sign in. So I am signing in. So I have signed in using my Google account. Let's continue. In the configure section, I can see my Google Drive has been selected and a folder name LinkedIn post content has been selected. So this is my folder in my Google Drive where I can see LinkedIn post content, and I have a Google Doc named post 1 content which has some data that I want to post on my LinkedIn account. So let's move ahead. Click on continue. Here is the step where it is asking you to test this step. So this was our trigger and now we are testing it. So it has been successfully tested. We can see it has the document A, the document that we have put in our folder. So continue with the selected record. So in the next step, we will integrate our LLM, be it ChatGPT, be it Grok, be it Gemini. We'll integrate it and ask it to read our content and make a well-drafted post on LinkedIn. Let's select AI by Zapier. It is an AI which is customly made by Zapier also. You can select any model and go with it. So here you can see our model has been already selected GPT-4o mini. So here we will write a prompt so that the content could be read here and it could be converted into a well-drafted content for the post. So let's go with it. So we have written a prompt. It is not a very well furnished prompt. Yes, it has already figured out that this prompt is weak. So we'll improve our prompt from here. Now we can see our prompt has been updated and this prompt would read the data and convert into a well-drafted post for LinkedIn. This is how our prompt looks like. One more thing that we need to do here is to add the content here to be specified and convert into a well-drafted post. So we can add it from here. As you can see, this is our file row plain text content. We have selected it and we are good to go. Other than that, we can also generate our preview. How will be our content, our post content will look like. So click on generate preview. As you can see, it has drafted content for the LinkedIn post in a very interactive and effective way. Now we can see the Google Docs are configured, the AI by Zapier has been configured, but we want to post it on the LinkedIn. So let's connect a LinkedIn account also. From here we can add the LinkedIn account. Just try to type LinkedIn here and it would show as here it is. So we will configure it. We can select this, analyze and return data in AI by Zapier. So this is what we exactly got when we generated our preview. So we can select it here. So it has been selected and now we can click on to continue. So it is done and we can see that a share was sent to LinkedIn about in 0 seconds. So let's check on LinkedIn. So as we all can see, here is our post that has been automated. So this is how Zapier can connect Google Docs with ChatGPT and then to LinkedIn. So this connection is called a Zap and this was our LinkedIn automation tool. So now what is going to happen is as we add new Google Docs into that folder on my Google Drive, Zapier would detect it. It will send it to ChatGPT and ChatGPT will create a well-drafted post and post it onto LinkedIn until I terminate this Zap. So this is how Zap works. Thank you.